Does you know how to connect the power supply? If you don't know, don't worry. In this video I will show you how I connected the power supply. It's easy, you just need to follow my steps.
Check this.
I'm installing a cheap power supply because my old from this video. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please hit like, share, subscribe.